Even behind bars, loving hip-hop New York star Mendeecees seems to be in trouble, and this time his family matters. Recently, Sam, the mother of little Mendeecees, took to Instagram to voice her stance on children visiting parents in prison. Sam firmly stood by her belief that her son shouldn't have to travel to see his incarcerated father. She described the desire that most young men have to be just like their father, but instead she suggests that little Mendeecees be a better version with all of his dad's good qualities and none of his flaws. Well, let's just say that little Mendeecees' aunt, the only sister to Big Mendeecees, did not agree with her stance at all. In a post responding to Sam, Neff expresses her disappointment in Sam, saying that he took responsibility of raising his son for 8 years while you were in school. Even though he had his son with him 24/7, he didn't mind paying your monthly bills while you had living in your home. Ooh, scandalous. Well, also, Neff accused Sam's mother of being a crackhead who slept on Yandy's sofa and then was appalled when Sam allegedly demanded $450 a week from Mendeecees' wife Yandy just to see his son. Sheesh, now that's a lot of drama for one family, but would you take your child to see their incarcerated parent? Let us know below in our comment section or on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks. For more news, jet over to BET.com. I'm Jamila Mustafa at JMedia_, and you're watching BET Breaks.